two, three, action.
Hi everyone, you're now here for another episode of Labmatics. Wait, another. mali. Again.
Uy, mataro ba?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Action.
Hi everyone, hi Labmatics. It's me again, Sophia, and you're here for another episode of Labmatics. And today we have a very special topic. It is derivatives of trigonometric functions, or simply deriving trigonometric functions. Cut. Trigonometric, there are simply 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3,
Action.
or simply deriving trigonometric functions. First up, we shall know what are these trigonometric functions. We have sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. And now we are going to show you the basic rules of deriving trigonometric functions. So first, if you have d over dx, sine of x, it will turn into cosine of x. And then, ano sunod? Cosine of x is negative sine of x.
Action.
And then if you have d over dx, sine of x, mali. D over dx. 1, 2, 3, go.
Go.
And then if you have d over dx, cosine of x, it will turn into negative sine x. Then if you have d over dx, d over dx, tangent of x.
1, 2, 3, go.
And if you have d over dx, tangent of x, it will turn into secant of x. Tama? Secant square of x. Secant square? Bakit na-memorize mo ako hindi? Ipit mo dyan. Ipit mo dyan. Yan. Yan. Ipit mo. Hindi ka siya. Ganiti. Wow.
1, 2, 3, action.
And then if you have d over dx, tangent of x, it will turn into secant squared of x. Is that right? And
Go.
if you have d over dx, cotangent of x, you will turn it into cosecant square of x. Then if you have cosecant, negative cosecant.
1, 2, wait. 1, 2, 3, action.
And then if you have d over dx, cotangent of x, you will turn into negative cosecant squared of x. And then if you have d over dx, secant of x, you will turn into tangent of x. And then lastly, if you have d over dx, cosecant of x, you will turn into cosecant of x times cotangent of x. Then, now that you know that, Ligara, what are the examples?
Isa lang ka-example.
Isa lang ka-example per?
Ano?
Sige na, good. Mama na gani.
Ano na ni gamiton? Yan na. Gusto na ko.
Sige.
Tubig, yung murug-murug dito.
Kaya awas sa day.
Go.
Wait. Basta kung suot. 1, 2, 3, action.
So for our first ulit. So for first example, we have y1 is equals to sine of 3x squared. First, we're going to identify which one is our f of x, and our g of x. So, considering that our u is our g of x, and that our f of x will turn into f of u. Pataka na ko.
Oh. Ano daw this?
Dali na kasi ito. Gani do gani.
Okay. You are
2.
1, 2, 3 action.
And for our first example, we have y prime of is equals to sine of 3x squared. And first, we're going to identify which one is our g of x and which one is our f of x. So, our g of x here is here. And our f of x is this. Then, after that, we are going to put here, we are going to consider that our g of x is going to be our u, and our f of x is going to be f of u. Pause. Pause.
Dali na ako.
F of u.
Mga pair.
Dito na
Dili
dito.
ka.
Natuwa na ni Kisiton.
Ito ka dam.
Very long. 1, 2, 3, go. After that, we are going to derive the f of x in our g of x. So it's going to be like this. Sine will be equals to cosine. And g prime will be equals to 6x. So we have now derived the f of x and our g of x. Then what we're going to do right now is pause. After that, multiply and substitute the value of u. 6. What's f of u? What's f of u?
X.
Huh? And then, bakit na 6x to? Cos of u. F of u divided by hindi. Cos of u. Bakit cosine of u? Sige, balik diri banda.
Ano, y prime.
Balik diri, wait lang.
No. 6x. Ay, y prime. Times. Y prime is equals to f prime of u times g prime of x.
Sige na, okay. Afterwards, okay, 1, 2, mali yun ha. 1, 2, 3, go.
Wait. No.
Afterwards, we're going to derive our f of x and our g of x. So our f of x is sine. So the f prime of x will be cosine of u. Since that we considered that our f of x will be f of u, then it will be cos of u also. And then for the g prime of x, it will be 3x squared. You derive it, you got 2 times 3, and then you have 6x. 2 minus 1, you have 1, so you have 6x. 6x. There you go. And then after that, you multiply this. So you're going to have cos of u times 6x. Prime. And then after that, cos. Pwede na baliktad, di ba? Pwede na baliktad, di ba? You're gonna, mali. You're gonna multiply it. Sige, okay, again, Paula! So, you multiply this. Sabalik na dito na sa Dito na sa
Naman.
Buot naman na rin. Magana-anak ako sa video.
Ah!
Balik na dito ah.
Pagkaroon ako din problem. White na pagkamita.
Ayang. Dili lagi na ma-erase. O bang! Di lagi ma-erase. Oo, kung saan na niyo mag-erase. Di na juga mo tuos ako abang.
Ako ba sa
Bang, dili mo siya ma-erase do.
Ano?
Dapat.
Di ayaw anak dito. Ito lang parehas sa level 50. Sige.
Wait. Ano mo kamot sa friend do? So, wait lang ha. Makakita na ako. And then, post.
6 cents. Kita din.
So what you're going to do afterwards is you will multiply them. So you'll have to multiply them. Y prime is equals to 6x cos u. Cos u. Oh, we're going to put a bracket on this. Like that. And then after that, copy, and then they're going to be like that. And what is the value of your u? Since that we considered that our u is equals to g of x, we will have g of x is equals to u, and our g of x is equals to 3x squared, and then after that, we're going to conclude that our u is 3 of x also. 3 of x squared, I mean. So we will have cosine of 3x squared. There you go. You derived your trigonometric function. And that will be the derivative of your trigonometric function. And cos. You're just going to do the same thing with all of the use. Yeah. Oh. Huh.
Wow, parentheses.
Ano naman? No, you're
Ako man
going
yung operation.
Ano siya?
It means na may multiplication i-solve na wala na. Kuan na naman ka din. Kuan. Sabang.
Oh, okay.
Hindi na bang ka lang gibi.
Sige naman.
Wait. One, two, three, action.
So, mali. Wait, no action. Please, no action. So, after that, we're just going to copy 6x and then cosine of u. So, what is our u? Since we agreed kanina. Wait. So, what is our u? Since we agreed a while ago that our u will be equals to g of x. And our g of x is equals to 3x squared. Then, we conclude that our u is equals to 3x squared also. So, that is your u now. And then we're going to put it here because cosine of u, 3x squared. And there you have it. You have your derivatives of trigonometric function. And since that we showed you the process of the first rule, you're just going to do the same thing with the other rules. Just follow them and follow the process. Then you can derive. Thanks for watching. Good day.
Isang tagdi kanila.
Saan mo na? Saan na ito na?
Listening please.
Ha?
Balik dira. Dira ang kanina.
Na? Hindi ka sa una?
Again sa excuse. Diri ka, balik diri.
Ano yun? Ano yun? Parang ano, box.
Balik na.
Oo. Dito, ano, unsa?
Diri.
Unsa? One, two.
Wait, kanang, divide na. One, two, three, action.
There you have it. I hope that you learned something. Thanks for watching. Good day, everyone. Ito na? Ano pa? Ano pa?
Three, action.
Since that we already showed you the process of the first rule, you're just going to do the same thing with all of the rules. You just have to follow the rule, follow the process, and there you have it. You can now derive. I hope that you learned something. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.